Let's talk about a trick for adding fractions. Let's look at an example. Let's say we have 5 over 7 plus 7 over 5. To use the trick, the fractions need to be in this form. It needs to be a over b plus b over a. In this case, 5 is a and 7 is b. 5 over 7 plus 7 over 5. Now, to solve a problem like this, what we're going to do is we're going to write 2, then we're going to subtract 7 and 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. We're going to square the number that we get. So 2 squared, that's 4. This is going to be a numerator. And the denominator is going to be a times b. 7 times 5. This is 35. So this is our answer. The answer you want will always be in a mixed fraction. So this trick works really, really well. So let's look at another example. Let's say we have 8 over 11 plus 11 over 8. Again, we're going to write 2. Then we're going to do 11 minus 8. This is 3. And we'll square this. This is going to be 9. So we have 2, 9 divided by, then we're going to do 11 times 8. This is 88. 88 is a denominator. So this is our final answer. 2, 9 over 88. Now, there's an exception to this trick. Let's look at it. So we have 2 over 13 plus 13 over 2. So this still satisfies the a over b plus b over a. So we can use the trick. So we're going to write 2. And then we're going to do 13 minus 2. This is going to be 11. And we're going to square this. 11 squared is 121. So we'll have 121 divided by 13 times 2 is 26. Now, this can't be our final answer since it's not fully simplified, so we need to fully simplify it. So, to simplify it, we're going to do 121 divided by 26. This will be 4. And so 4 times 26 is 104. 121 minus 104 is 17. So this is going to be 4 with a remainder of 17. But that's only the fraction. We forgot about the 2. So we're going to have to add the 2 to this. So 4, 17 divided by 26 plus 2 will give us 6, 17 divided by 26. So this is our final answer. Now, this trick can be a little bit tricky, so this requires a lot of practice. I've linked the practice worksheet and its answers in the comment section, so make sure to go check those out.